Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're showing you our Chevy Special Deluxe Coupe. Really cool car. They've been sitting in a collection for 10 years. A few imperfections in this one. I bought 4 of them, 3 Chevys and a Pontiac. A few scratches right there. Paint's just average on this one. A few flaws. Like I said, a few scratches there. You can see some dust just from sitting. Still a really cool car, cool look to it. We're just getting it running. And then back here, it's got some paint imperfections. I'm sure from the quality of the paint. Paint's probably 20, 30 years old on it. Maybe even longer than that. We're trying to get it run right now. So, nice thing about this car is if you wanted to do a street rod, here you got a body that's good enough. You can just do the street rod part of it, the mechanical part of it, and you don't have to wait 2 years for a body shop to get done. So, cool looking car if you want to street rod it, or if you want to just drive it the way it is. It's original, got 216 in it. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.